So Andrew is doing Gaboon Ebony with a Janka of 3080 ish with toggle drill.
Just remember to keep tension on both. So each one is a pull. There's no push. It's all pull.
That's it.
That's it. Go the distance. Take it easy. Breathe.
Use your back. Use your back.
Breathe. 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 Breathe in. Okay. Sprint. Just go. Go. Go.
Give it all
go.
you got. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Go. Go. Go. Keep going. Go.
It has to be there.
Keep going. Keep going. Go.
Keep going. Go. Go. Go.
Oh, look at it. It's blowing already.
There's at least 15.
There's about 65 poles. Okay, I'm gonna go behind.
So Andrew got Gaboon Ebony toggle drill at 1642, and the tribe is saved.
And you're striking hard and striking fast.
No mercy.
No mercy.
Quiet.
He was just going for one coal.
I have two, but
And he
One
has
try,
to-
one call.
one try, one call.
Stop wasting resources.
This is the fire dojo way.
So at time
It is
1645.
1645. Marcel got Gaboon Ebony with the junk of 3080, and he saved the tribe.
Have you ever tried?
On Saturday, January 20th.
I thought you were gonna do that.